I'm Johnny. You're watching A View to a Grill, and today it's my top 4 charcoal configurations for charcoal grilling. This is the first video of a 5-video charcoal configuration series, and if you want to check the rest of them out, check out the channel and subscribe. The first charcoal grill configuration for your charcoal grill that I want to talk about is the 2-zone parallel fire configuration. First, I'll line up my parallel zones and then fill with charcoal, alternating the sides so that I can get a fairly even amount of heat on both sides of the grill. This configuration can be used with or without a water pan. I'll use this with the water pan if the cook is at a moderately higher temperature, and it's going to be a little longer. If you'd like to see me use the 2-zone parallel fire cooking method, click the link above. The second charcoal configuration that I like to talk about is the classic 2-zone charcoal configuration method. Again, I like to line up at least 1/3 of the grilling area for the hot zone, and then we'll simply fill this in with hot coals. This is great for steaks, burgers, chicken, really all your proteins. This is also great for large meats like fajitas or a spatchcock chicken. If you'd like to see me use the classic 2-zone fire cooking method, click the link above. The third charcoal configuration grilling method I'd like to show you is the direct grilling method. I usually only ever use this when we're throwing parties and I need maximum grilling area. I'll just throw all the charcoal on the bottom of the grill, spread it out for an even layer. That way I can cook all of my steaks or all of my burgers at one time. If you would like to see me use the direct grilling method, go ahead and click the link above. The fourth charcoal configuration method, the snake method. It's probably the coolest of the 4 as far as the way it looks. But let's be honest, stacking up those coals is a pain. We'll place 2 rows of charcoal along the perimeter of the grill with wood wafers in between each pair of 2s. Now you're going to go all the way around until you get to the other end. This is going to take some time. Now don't forget to leave some space at the beginning so that you can put some lit charcoals down when it's time to smoke your meat. Now after you do this, you're going to say, damn, that took a long time. Then you're going to want to go over to the Woodshed Smoke and Barbecue with Slowhand channel and order one of his baskets. Now if you want to watch me put the snake method to practice, go ahead and click the link above. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Take care, y'all.